Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video it's about Elrond. Alright, I'm in the middle of Romania, in Transilvania, in the city of Sibiu, and I'm filming the office of Elrond, and I'm trying my best to get an interview with these guys. And the position is downtown Sibiu. You can see near to the stadium. You can see the stadium right here, and then the building. They are in this office building on the 9th floor, and you can see their sign right there, the third down. All right, Elrond. So I promise you, in the next few days I'll do an interview with the CEO or the CTO or one of the guys. So it's Minku or the other guy, Lucian Toda. Okay, we'll see. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much for your attention, and Happy New Year. A happy, profitable year. Thank you very much and all the best.